is to get comfortable, so you're going to be completely strapped in. And make sure your rudder pedals are adjusted as you want. You're feeling comfortable. In order to talk to your IP, you're going to have to turn the battery on. So before you do that, you got to go prop clear the crew chief and bring the battery on. That way you'll have your interphone so you can talk to each other. Then you're going to say, I've got 2 legs, lap seat, shoulders, harness, hoses, helmet, chin, and visor down. He's going to repeat that back to you over the intercom. Then you're going to get your external power on if you want that. You see how it's adjusted. You want to make sure you can see half of the brightness gauge on the EADI. So you will adjust that as you need, just to see the top, just half of that little sensor there. You get your rudder pedals adjusted, and then you're going to say, feet knees clear. You'll hear clear, make sure your crew chief's away. And you'll check your ailerons, elevator, and you look back to see your rudder and elevator mode. You say my flight control check, feet knees clear, he'll do the same. And as he's doing that, you look down here to your lamps. Switch to your left to go through the test. So bring on the lamps. You want to make sure you've got every lamp, the CWS panel, and everywhere. And you want to make sure you check these for the IDARs that they work. My lamps check, IP will respond. Check your overspeed tone, you hear it in your headset. Landing gear tone in the headset. Skip over the aux back because you already did it. Check your AOA. You start with low. You watch your gauge, it comes around, it's going to stop at 10.5. There it is, you get an amber donut. Bring it to high, it's going to go up. You will get a stick to your green chevron, it goes up to 18. That checks. Alright, fire 1. You're going to say fire 1. Punch out, make sure you get the top. Fire 1, fire 2. Bottom half lights up, punch it out, looks good, fire test. Come up, make sure that your flaps are up, get your lights off. You have to call out for my trimness index, which is normal. You'll respond there, then you're going to check your trim. See the little airplane move. You want to make sure your rudder trim is out of the green so the TAD system can bring it back later. Then you want to set your elevator, make sure it works, and ailerons into the green on trim checks. And then how about yours? He'll check it. Sure your landing gear handle is stored. Emergency landing gear handle is stowed. Your GPS is on. Your clock reset. Your G meter. Pull out your audio panel knobs. Get that going. Try to get ADIS at this point when you go. Come back across your standbys, make sure they're checked as you want them. Your ELT's on, TCAS should be in standby, and your AHARS is slaved. And then come to your parking brake, ensure that it's set, reset it, pump it up again. Say hands clear, both of y'all bring your hands up, and then tell the crew chief to remove the chocks. As they're removing that, you can go through some more calls. When generator switches off, and you go for the start, and you'll walk through all your switches down here. Starter switch should be normal, ignition should be normal, fuel balance is in auto. Avionics measure switch should be off, bus tie is normal. Probes, anti-ice, and boost pump you have to check. So for your probes, you turn them on, you get the light, and you should see an amperage draw right there. We did have that for the boost pump. You'll hear it turn on, you get an amperage draw, and the light that checks. PMU switch should be normal, your blower should be off, bleed air should be off, pressurization should be normal. You can check under the switch. That checks. Air conditioner you can turn on now if you want. Temperature control is going to be wherever you want. Normally it's on cold, ram air is off, and the robot should be off. And that's it.